Customize your printing workflow for specialty media types or specific printing needs with the adjustment pattern settings in the imagePROGRAF print plugin module. This feature gives you the ability to adjust color, brightness, gray tone, contrast, and saturation settings of an image and see up to 49 different pattern variations on one sheet. In the color settings options, choose the adjustment pattern setting. Here you can create a series of color, brightness, and contrast ring around tests and zero in on your specific needs. Choose your paper source, roll or sheet fed, and paper size. You can also conserve paper using this option when using roll paper. Starting with the horizontal axis, select your primary objective adjustment item. Selecting any of these options will show plus units to the right and minus units to the left, such as cyan to red, magenta to green, and yellow to blue, and no adjustment in the middle. Gray tone will adjust a warmer or cooler tone, while brightness, contrast, and saturation will be plus or minus. Choose the number of patterns, 3, 5, or 7, and the adjustment value spacing will give you fine or coarse controls from 1 to 10. The vertical axis will allow you to choose an additional adjustment item and extend your pattern to show the many variations. Near the bottom left side, the button Specify the Range of Images will allow you to select a certain area for the test. Simply click and drag to crop the image. And by the way, Maximize dialog box will fill your screen with the adjustment pattern setting. You can rotate 90 degrees, change the pattern size if the paper size allows, and with the pattern spacing, you can then select white, black, or a gray grid. The print conditions will remind you of the media type, print mode, and profile you're using, and you're now ready to print the adjustment pattern for the test. View your printed pattern in the proper viewing conditions. A daylight balanced lighting condition is recommended. Highlight the frame that represents your objective, and back in the adjustment pattern settings, click on the same frame, and this message will appear letting you know your selection will now be centered within the pattern. Now you can make additional adjustments if necessary, print the new pattern, and select the final frame. Once you have selected your final adjustment frame, select this option, Update Base Values in the Color Settings sheet, and select Close. Your adjustments will automatically be set for you, and now click the Print button to create your final print. When you go back to the Export module, choose Print History, click Details, and add your previous print. This will allow you to record all of these settings and save them for future use.